Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today we are continuing the chapter Smart Chart, and today our topic is table chart. In this table chart we will do two types of problems. One is when table has given and some related questions will be there. We have to solve the questions with the help of tables. And in the second case, some informations will be given and you have to make a table, or you have to form a table according to the given information. Okay? So, come to the first problem. Here the problem is number 1. The occupations of the people of a small colony near an airport are recorded and arranged in the following table. So you can see here one table has given. There are 2 rows and 6 columns. In the first row, people of different occupation, and second row number. Now you can see people of different occupations are there. Name of different occupations: pilot, air hostess, engineer, teacher, mechanic. And number of people works in that occupations also given. Pilot 12, air hostess 26, engineer 18, teacher 3, mechanic 27. Now come to the first question. Number A, the people of which occupation are the least in number in the colony? Now from the table we can see in teacher there are only 3 number. Least means minimum. So, the answer will be teacher. The people of which occupation are the least in number in the colony? Teacher. Second question, the people of which occupations are more than twice the number of pilots in the colony? More than twice the number of pilots in the colony. Now how many pilots are there? You can see there are 12 pilots. So twice the number, that is 12 into 2, 24. So more than 24 people in which occupations? One is air hostess, there is 26. Another one is mechanic, there is 27. So answer will be air hostess and mechanic. Now come to the second number question. Here the time taken in minutes by a student to solve 15 sums are given below. You can see the times of 15 sums are given: 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 4, 5, 5, 7, 3. All are in minutes. Arrange the data in ascending order and then put it in a table to show how many sums he could solve in a given time. So first of all, we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So first of all, arranging in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So first 2, how many 2's are there? Only 1, 2. So I have written 2. Now you can see there are 3 3's. So 3, 3, 3, 3 times. How many 4 are there? 1, 2, 2, 4. Next, how many 5's are there? 4 5's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, how many 6? 2 6's. 2 7, 1 8. So the given data are arranging in ascending order. Now the second part, put it in a table to show how many sums he could solve in a given time. So you can see we have make a table. In the first row is indicated the time, which is in minutes, and second row number of sums. Now time, you have to write the individual times. So here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now number of sums. How many sums need 2 minutes? 1. How many sums need 3 minutes? 3. How many sums need 4 minutes? 2. How many sums need 5 minutes? 4. 6 minutes? 2. 7 minutes? 2. 8 minutes? 1. So, according to the information, we have formed one table. So in this way, information will be given. You have to form the table, and second one, table will be given. You have to find out the questions. So in this way, we can solve this table chart. Now some problems are there. You have to do in your copy. It is your homework. Number 1, the number of wickets taken by a bowler in 15 consecutive matches is given below. 2, 3, 0, 5, 6, 2, 8, 4, 0, 1, 6, 3, 4, 4, 3. Arrange the data in decreasing order of wickets taken. Then make a table that shows the number of times the bowler has taken a given number of wickets. Next, number 2. The data about the type of CDs sold in a particular day at a shop is shown in the table below. You can see data are given: type of CD, film, song, rhyme, bhajan, game, VCD. And number sold: film song 547, rhyme 28, bhajan 52, game 184, VCD 106. So question number A, which type of CD sold the least? Number B, by how much does the highest selling type of CD outsell the second and third highest type taken together? Number C, what was the total number of CDs sold? Now question number 3, the numbers out of 50 of different subjects in an exam of a student are given below. You can see here the subjects are English, Hindi, math, science, social science. And the number English 48, Hindi 45, math 50, science 42, social science 40. Now question number A. In which subject the student scored least? Number B. What is the difference between highest and lowest marks? C. What is the total marks scored by the student? So do this homework in your classwork copy.